Let me show you how we can design a poster in PowerPoint. The first step will be to change the size of the artboard of the slide to be more like a paper. Head to Design tab and select Slide Size. Page Setup. And from here we can decide on custom size, like A4 paper. Make it in the portrait mode and then double check the size. I will make it exactly A4 without any space for the margins. So 21, 29.7. All right, I click OK. I don't need to scale up. I can scale down existing design. And here it is. Now we got a proper size of the slide. And this is exactly A4 in my case. And of course, you can make a different size. I like to head to Insert tab next and select some shapes that I'm going to use as placeholders. So I can use this rounded corner rectangle as the placeholder for a picture. So place it on the slide. You don't need to worry too much about the color because this is just a placeholder. I'm going to put the image inside. Below that, I will add a text box. So we can draw a little square when we can type the text. Let me just paste some filler text into it. Next, I can decide what is the main color of the backdrop. So for that, we need to go back to Design and select Format Background, where we can select the one main color. You can click More Colors to pick from the spectrum. I will go with the blue color, so now I can modify my text to be a bit larger. We can modify the font. I will go with Roboto and make it white. Usually you want the first line to be bolder and a bit larger as there's some kind of headline. All right, let's put the picture into that shape we have prepared before. So I will click on it. And in the Format Shape menu, so you can click on the shape, go to Shape Format. For the fill color, we're going to replace the fill color with actual picture as the fill. And here it is. On the right side, we can put some kind of big slogans, or just duplicate my existing text. Command C, Command V. All right. So we got additional space for text, and this text will be shorter. And bolder, so I'll make it bold. Again, Roboto, simple font, a bit larger. And then we can like highlight one word by making it in a bit different color. Below we can add some additional shape to make the background more interesting. We're going with this rectangular shapes theme, so I can do something like that, so to complement the picture very well. I'm going to use the original backdrop color, no outline, and this is the great starting point when I can now click More Colors, but I will get this original starting color as the backdrop color, and I can just make it a bit brighter. Just like that. Part of the shape is popping out. Actually, it doesn't matter, but if you really want to clean this up, we could use another shape, like a rectangle. Select both, holding Shift, and then we use the fragment option. This way, all of the pieces are separate. Now I got only half of the circle. I can delete what I don't need. The downside of this, we're going to recolor this again into that color previously selected. And here it is. Let's make a bit more space above so we can put one extra line of text with address or some kind of website. So again, I will just copy and paste my text frame. After you type in the website address, it may change directly to be a clickable link. We don't need that. So right click on it and we can try to remove the link, hyperlink, edit, remove link. All right, it's back to being a normal text. Let's scale it down. And this way we can very quickly build a simple poster directly in PowerPoint. As you can see, you don't need too much stuff. You don't make it visually cluttered. You just need one leading picture, main text, some kind of larger slogan text, your business information. We can put additional shapes in the open areas. We don't need to fill it up with text. Maybe as the final touch, I will duplicate this whole picture. And this time I will kick out the image. Actually, I will kick out the image from it. So I can hit here, no fill color. I will get white color or yellow. Okay, white will do. And I will make a line like this. That is a bit offset from the picture. So the picture is kind of popping out from it a bit. All right. And then I can place additional line somewhere below. This time I'm going to draw it. So I will head to Insert Shapes, Line Tool, and I will just make a line somewhere here. It's a white line with the similar width to this previous line. So this one was 4.5. So I'll keep this line in the same style, 4.5. All right. And here it is, simple yet effective poster design made directly in PowerPoint. If you are in rush and you want to use my template, feel free to download it. I will drop the link in the description. I hope this will be helpful. See you in the next one.